How to install water preheater at wider matrix. Higher heating efficiency. Take off this cover. By taking these 4 screws off, take the cable cover off. Don't put the new cable together with the heating chip cable and timer switch cable. The other slots are fine, blue to blue, red to red. Put the preheater here in position. Water output tube to the hole. Take the water tank out. Connect the water output to the burner tube. Water input tube put to the back. Water input tube connect to the heater. Lock it with the clip to fix the cable. Now you have finished all.
Nice.